They say an elephant can lift 70 kilos with its trunk and carry 900 kilos on its back easily. An ant can carry 20 times its own body weight. A gorilla can throw items of up to 800 kilos, and a tiger can jump 16 feet high and reach speeds of 40 miles per hour. But who's the real king of the jungle? Today we have a new challenger. Ryan Linley, a strongman from Hull, says he can pull a 19,600 kilo Lancaster Bomber. Today we will find out.
My mother told me someday I will buy galley with good oars, sail to distant shores. My mother told...
She's big.
Today, Ryan is attempting to pull Just Jane, a World War II Lancaster bomber. He's doing the pull to raise money for the St Barnabas Hospice and for the Lincolnshire Aviation Heritage Centre, who are restoring Just Jane to her former glory. Together with his team and help from some amazing truckers, is he going to be able to pull this 20-ton behemoth? Well, he did it, and he made it look easy. Ryan would like to thank everyone who came out to support him on this day, and a big thanks to the airfield for hosting the event and allowing him to pull Just Jane. So what's next? What would you like to see Ryan pull? Comment below. If you'd like to follow Ryan, his Instagram is @Izzy'sDaddy.
Thank you very much.
There it is. Thank you very much. Well done, buddy.